SSK or slip knit commonly use left leaning decrease. Let's get started. First we need slip 1 stitch knitwise from the left hand needle to the right hand needle. Then we slip the next 1 stitch knitwise from the left hand needle to the right hand needle. Then we work what they call a knit together through the back loop. I'm going to show you 2 ways. You can either transfer the stitches back to the left hand needle and insert your right hand needle into the back of the 2 loops and knit them. Here you are. Or you can simply take your left hand needle, insert the front of both of those stitches and then knit them 2 together. Let's try one more time. First we need slip 1 stitch knitwise, then second stitch knitwise, then back to the left hand needle stitches and knit them to the back loops.